Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add pricing table in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just add blocks to the page, and you're gonna see it here, pricing tables. Just click on it and you have option which one you actually choose. So let's go choose the first one here, and it's like really pretty cool. So let's move it, I don't know, here. And when we have it, so what we want to do is you can just easily edit it as much as you want and everything here. The $35 by now, but I think you need to link it somewhere to the product, or just to Amazon or to anything, like to some service product, or create it here. So again, you just paste everything, play around. When you go to the settings, it's quite simple, and this is pretty much it. So there is not like a lot of a big deal here. When I go to plus and when I go to the extensions, yeah, you can go like the store and really play around it. But I recommend, like, if you want to create e-commerce site, don't go with Mobirise. Choose like Shopify or Squarespace or Wix. Don't go with Mobirise. I mean, Mobirise is perfect for landing page, for blogging, but not for this. So this is how you can add the pricing table here. And then by now you can just link them to another page where you will have like contact form on everything, and you got it. So yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.